The same politicians with many tricks, they give these foreign guys from Pakistan who are here with a mandate to steal, kill and destroy while we are sleeping at night. Ozoba nesikhathi ayenze research. Yonke ispaza shop sama Pakistan si blue, ikhala yakhona is blue. Uke wayibuza wena ukuthi why wonke lama spaza shop e blue? Labantu laba momfake kwakho, do you know ukuthi njengoba ku blue, that blue represents I protection yakhe nokuthi he has dedicated your environment, your own home is no longer with jurisdiction yakho manje in the spirit. It's in the marine kingdom. So in marine kingdom must protect him in your own space. Kushuthi sekuna 2 altars. It's time to reject South African satanic government. Khona manje indle yakho mawunespaza shop esi-blue uzomangala, uyathandaza, wenzani, kuba ngathi uNkulunkulu akakuzwa. There's a clash in the spirit, clash of the altars.
Hey, zimbi indaba. eSouth Africa